Welcome! Today we'll be going over the cleaning and maintenance of your Ninja Luxe Café Mini. First, let's go over everyday maintenance. The portafilter and baskets need to be removed and hand-washed thoroughly after each brew. Always wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth immediately after frothing to prevent any milk buildup. The steam wand should also be purged after every froth to wash away milk residue inside. To purge, push it back into the down position without the jug installed. If your machine has auto-frothing, the steam wand will automatically purge when returned to the down position. You can also purge any time by pressing the purge button. If your machine has manual frothing only, turn the manual valve to steam to initiate a purge. The milk jug can be hand-washed with soap and water. When the orange empty indicator becomes visible, it's time to empty the drip tray. Carefully slide it out of the machine and discard any liquid. The funnel, cleaning disc and drip tray components are all dishwasher safe. Now let's get into cleaning the conical burr grinder. It's recommended to clean this at least weekly to prevent clogging and ensure the highest quality results. For dark roast, decaf and other oily bean types, clean the grinder more often. If you aren't using your machine daily, clean the grinder monthly at minimum, or anytime you swap out or refill the beans. Before you start, remove all beans from the hopper and ensure that it's installed and locked. Clear out any leftover beans on top of the grinder by performing a purge. First, set the grind size to 60, and with the portafilter in the grinding cradle, press and hold grind. Once grinding begins, continue holding the button for about 10 seconds, or until there is a noticeable change in noise. This will grind away and remove any material left in the grinder. If there is still residue left on the burr, sweep it off with the included cleaning brush and perform another purge if necessary. Make sure the machine is unplugged and turned off before proceeding. Now, remove the bean hopper by turning the handle anti-clockwise. Next, remove the upper burr by rotating anti-clockwise, aligning the orange arrow on the burr grinder with the orange arrow labelled Align on the machine. Once aligned, lift the upper burr out. Clean the removed burr with the cleaning brush. Do not allow burrs to come into contact with water. Then, clean burr grinder attached to the machine with your cleaning brush and nothing else. Be sure to clean the inside of the grinding cradle as well. Now, we'll go over descaling your Ninja Luxe Café Mini. When the Descal light illuminates on the control panel, you must run a Descal cycle. If you don't descal after the light turns on, drink quality will decline and your machine could clog and stop working entirely. Descaling is a 90-minute procedure that breaks down and removes limescale and mineral buildup inside the machine. Make sure the drip tray is completely emptied before starting, as water from the Descal cycle will empty into the tray. Not emptying it could cause overflow. First, dissolve the Ninja Descal powder in a separate container with 1.1 litres of water. Then pour the mixture into the water reservoir, or you can fill the reservoir with 475 millilitres of white vinegar, then fill to the Descal line with water. Next, install the double basket in the portafilter and fasten it into the group head. If you have an ES300 series model, place the milk jug on the drip tray with the steam wand inside. Press the Descal button, then turn the manual valve to the steam position. Press the center dial to start the cycle. The machine will flush solution through the steam wand. You'll see the remaining time on the display. When this portion is complete, the machine will beep. Remove the milk jug, empty the contents, and hand wash with warm soapy water. Turn the manual valve to the brew position. Place an empty cup, at least 475 millilitres, under the portafilter. Press the center dial to continue. The machine will flush solution through the portafilter. Time remaining will show on the display. When complete, the machine will beep. If you have an ES350 series model, place a 1 litre Tupperware under both the group head and steam wand. If your unit has the hot water feature, first turn the manual valve to the hot water position. Press Descale, then press the center dial to start the cycle. The machine will flush solution through the hot water spout. When this portion is complete, the machine will beep. Turn the manual valve back to the brew position. For all 350 series models, press the center dial to continue the descale cycle. The machine will flush solution through the portafilter and will beep when complete. After descaling on any model, remove the portafilter and drip tray carefully, as there will be water in each. Empty the contents and hand wash with warm, soapy water to remove any solution that could affect the flavor of your coffee. Fill the reservoir with fresh water only up to the max fill line. Reinstall the drip tray and portafilter. Do not install the milk jug. Flush the group head by running a classic brew on the largest size available. Then, with the milk jug uninstalled, flush the steam wand by running a purge for your model. After running a Descal, immediately wipe down any splatter to prevent surface staining. Let's go over one more cleaning procedure, the clean cycle. The clean light will automatically illuminate to indicate when one is required. A clean cycle flushes out residual oils or grounds that build up in and around the group head. It can also be run anytime you notice a change in brew quality. The clean cycle requires the included cleaning disc and one included cleaning tablet. Make sure the drip tray is completely empty before starting, as water from the clean cycle will fall into the tray. Not emptying it could cause overflow. First, fill the water reservoir only up to the max fill line. Then, insert the double basket in the portafilter. Place the cleaning disc on top of the double basket, with the handle facing up. Place one cleaning tablet in the center of the cleaning disc. Fasten the portafilter in the group head. Press the clean button, then press the center dial to start the cycle. The machine will begin flushing the shower screen and group head, depositing water and sediment into the drip tray. The clean cycle takes approximately 6 minutes. Your machine will beep when it's complete. After it's done, remove both the portafilter and drip tray carefully, as there may be water in both. Hand wash with warm, soapy water. Now your machine is ready for the next brew.